Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So in the first step, open File Explorer. You can just press Windows key plus E key together to open File Explorer. Then go to this PC, right click on this C drive, open its properties. Once we are here, we need to go to security tab and then click on edit. Now we need to click on add, select advanced tab. Once we are here, we need to click on find now and select the everyone. Here it is, select it, click on OK. Once we are here, we need to click on OK again and then select everyone, give it full control, and once done, click on apply and then OK. You can also check out our pin command to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.